What if I told you the secret to transforming your indie game from an unknown project to a thriving, money-making success is not the code or the graphics, it's the people. Not the players that buy your game, but the community you build around it. Imagine releasing a game after pouring in months or even years of your time. You hit publish, but all you hear is crickets. Downloads trickle in, but something is missing. That something could be the difference between making $100 or $10,000. In today's video, I'm going to show you the real power of building a community around your game or your studio, and how it can not only boost your income but also turn your passion into a sustainable business. And trust me, the impact is bigger than you think. When you create a game, you're not just offering a product, you're inviting people in for an experience. Now imagine those people had a space to talk about that experience, where they could connect, engage, and spread the word for you. That's the power of community. When you create a fan base, you're not just creating a group of players, you're creating loyal ambassadors for your brand. These are the people that will not only buy your game but also promote it to others, provide feedback, and also be there for your next release. Now the question is, how do you build this community? It starts with choosing the right platforms. You don't have to be on every single one, but you need to pick the ones that align with your audience. Discord is an incredible place to build a strong community where your fans can interact with each other. YouTube is perfect for sharing behind the scenes content, devlogs, and tutorials, while Patreon can offer exclusive perks to your most loyal followers, creating another income stream in the process. By focusing on these platforms, you're not just getting downloads, you're fostering deeper connections, creating super fans that will support your work long term. So how does this community help your bottom line? Well, for starters, a loyal community can increase your game sales simply through word of mouth. But that's just the beginning. Let's talk numbers. You can offer exclusive content on Patreon, from early access builds to developer diaries. On YouTube, ad revenue and sponsorships can become viable income streams. And with Discord, you can engage your fans in real time, increasing retention and even selling in-game items or additional content directly to them. Now, if you're thinking this sounds great, but where do I even start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've put together a free ebook that explains the exact strategies that I use to create profitable games. Everything from monetization to community building. You can download it right now by clicking the link in the description. It's a blueprint to help you avoid costly mistakes and to fast track your success. Once you have that initial group of supporters, momentum starts to build. Live streams, Q&As, and exclusive sneak peeks turn casual fans into lifelong followers. These are the people that will be there not just for this game, but for every game you release. The beauty of a strong community is that it grows organically. Once people are emotionally invested in your journey, they'll spread the word on your behalf, bringing in even more players and revenue. Look at some of the most successful indie games out there. Many didn't explode overnight. They built passionate communities first, whether it's through engaging YouTube content, active Discord servers, or Patreon memberships. These developers harness the power of their fan base to fuel their success. Building a community isn't just a marketing strategy, it's the foundation for long-term growth. Your fans will support you financially, yes, but they will also support you both creatively and emotionally. They'll keep you going when things get tough. Whether you're just getting started or you've already released a game, now is the time to invest in a community. It's not just about making more money, it's about creating something bigger than yourself that lasts. If you're ready to take the next step and build your own game development community, join me on Discord, follow me on YouTube, and don't forget to grab the free ebook in the description below. Let's build something amazing together. If you guys did enjoy that video, please smash the like button, subscribe so you don't miss any future content. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.